Hello everyone, in today's video we will cover how to use licensing file for FootPrints application. Download the FootPrints licensing file from the BMC support portal. If you are a new Footprint installer, while installing the new Footprint application, the dialog box will be open to upload the licensing file. If the Footprint application is already installed on the server, log into the Footprint application by admin account. Enter the password. Click on Administration tab. Click on Main tab and under the System Management, expand the system setting and click on Manage Licensing. Click on the highlighted button Load Licensing. Navigate to the downloaded license file and upload it. And the page will be refreshed automatically. So it will take a few seconds to refresh the entire page. And the licensing file uploaded successfully. Thank you.